Hello, everyone. Good, happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing good. A little bit late. Just getting everything set. Okay, got the background music going on. You guys can hear. Hey, where did my bookmark go? Where- oh no. Okay, here we go. Oh, just finishing the paper off. Today is Thursday, so right after Fed. Yesterday earnings was just before I speak about that, I need to finish this. Okay. Okay, perfect. So yes, like I was saying, um, there was the federal interest rate. He didn't change the rates, but the thing is that he was bullish with his speech and just saying that it's holding well. And then what's interesting is Besant said that um, say that like they're gonna hold off on the the next Fed chairman role in 2 weeks. So I don't know, but basically it was somewhat bullish. We're basically opening right in yesterday's middle of the range, so I don't know why I yawn when I come here. Like it's crazy. I wake up so fresh, and then the moment I start to stream, I gotta yawn. It's interesting because I remember at Kung Fu. I used to go to Kung Fu, and I used to like feel great. But then when I showed up, I yawned. I don't know why. There's something about the okay. So Asus. Oh god. So yeah, this is the 1 day in 1 week. Yesterday we did a whole lot. Oh yeah, and earnings. So Microsoft was rather lower, but I don't remember the reason. Of course, they beat earnings. I don't remember why. Tesla was a little bit down, or no, it was like mixed. But Meta was able to, because they're spending a lot on AI, but it's also like crazy spending that you're just wondering like, does this make sense? Like, it's a lot of spending, and it's just like it's the same thing with the metaverse, but you say some good things. So overall, like today we have Apple. Who else do we have? We have just really Apple, Visa, but like Mag 7 just Apple, so okay. Oops. Okay, great. So yeah, we can just see that yeah, so okay, this is interesting. NQ gapped up, but is completely retracing it. That's interesting. Let me put my volume down. While ES also gapped and retraced. So overall bullish, but could be still grindy. I don't know what the market will be waiting for at the moment of time now. Huh. So the 1 week still in the range. Yeah, okay. Let's get to the 4 hour and 1 hour. So here, yeah, we just we pushed we made a new high. We didn't make a new high. We just tested the high, and then pulled down, and then during the Fed, just before the close, actually right after the close, we had this like liquidity sweep, which was interesting. Um, I don't know why I'm yawning so much. Okay. Maybe it's because I'm talking. I'm gonna find out why this keeps happening every stream too. Okay. Um, so we grind it up and then like pull back. You can see a little bit of like the craziness, like just it was not clean and it was didn't really do much. Um, then we had to pull back, and then we just grind it up slowly. Um, and just held this area, and now we're taking resistance again. But you can also see we're hunting this wick low. I mean, it will reach it before 9:45, and if it doesn't, that's great. But it's like a few ticks. I mean, a few points away now. Okay. I'm not tired, I swear. Okay. So yeah, like basically, let's just see the confirmation with time as it passed for this, like, because we've just been selling off since the open, so it's interesting. But I can also understand why, like, simply because we pushed lower, and I want to clear the liquidity. No, it could be that liquidity is lower, and there is liquidity right under us, but we didn't fill it at 2600 at 2600. God, 2600. So we're 40 points away. Okay, now let's get to the 15-minute and 30-minute. Yeah, just a better look of what actually really happened. We're just pulling back. ES is lagging behind, and Q really is trying to test that low. But overall, I'm just gonna like get the that's about it. Like, I think we should just get to the 5 minutes and just kind of look at the price action, what's really happening. Now we're pushing again lower to fill the liquidity. Buyers keep stepping in. We also hit the EMA right now. Okay, we hit the 100 EMA and 200 EMA on the 30 minutes. Okay, it's gonna act like a little bit of a resistance. I think it should be the same area. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna mark that down. Add it here. Okay. So overall, okay. I mean, it's just a matter of wait and see what happens. Who takes control? Who steps in? Let's log in. And I don't think trading view is broken today, which is great. What? Okay, it's not there right now. You should always be there, but that's okay. There it is. I'm gonna double check because I really need to see this. Oh yeah, I was playing with Cloud Code, and it's just so buggy on the desktop, but kind of found some solutions. Don't know how long they will last for. So okay, looks like it's good. Yeah, it's okay. Ooh, yay. But honestly, like, would I have even taken a trade yesterday? Probably I would. Maybe a break even, maybe a loss. Maybe I would have gotten a 10-point trade. I don't know. Okay, so ES is testing yesterday's point of control. That's why it's taking resistance too. And then NQ really wants to go lower. Yeah, it's really just holding this area, chopping around. I bet you NQ will just have some volatile like algo push down just to fill liquidity and snap right back here. If anything, or maybe it will break lower. Okay. Get a sip of coffee. Now it's just about sitting and waiting, and there it's about to play it. So I played it quite calmly. I was thinking to honestly take the trade, but I was like, No, Zaki, it's 9:41. It's too early. We don't want to do that, and another trade will come if it doesn't come. It's okay. There's tomorrow. And I have to also calm down because yesterday I was having all these conversations with myself to look for more, this and that. Just gotta kind of shut it off. Not shut it off. That's not right. Don't shut it off. Like I mean like be aware of it that that's happening, but also just address it and see why it's happening. And don't suppress it, but understand it so that you're aware. This is a whole low volume now, but the thing, yeah, I'm gonna mark it as a whole. Bull bear. Okay, so we cleared it. That's good. Okay, we're pushing even lower. ES is following. ES is now testing support. NQ is close to it too, which is here. Aggressive seller stepped in, got absorbed. Okay. Nothing's standing out to me right now. Usually the 4 hour and 1 hour, the source of truth. Like just looking at it, understanding it. Okay, so we played it. Oh, we just really broke quickly. A little bit of a reaction for sure, but we got ways to go to Valley area. How much of a ways to go? 20%, 50 points. Okay, not too bad. Doable.
Let's go.
Still pushing lower. I need to see some sort of a pullback, if anything. Trying to see, like, there's still ways to go. 40 points away. Okay, now let's see if buyers actually step in. Here's liquidity lower. Okay, really just filled me quick. There's liquidity, but I'm worried my stop might be too tight. Yeah. It filled really quickly. I was let's see if it played. I think it's just my stop was too tight. I could have waited a bit longer. Definitely. That was not great. It is what it is. But I this is like the worst. It's like when you take a loss and you just have to walk away when there's like you know there's so much more opportunity. You just simply took a trade that needed a bit more confirmation. Like I like the idea because if this failed, sellers could take control. And it is what happened, but it didn't hold. Okay. I mean, I can't. Then now buyers are stepping in, and value is right here, so it's not that clean. But definitely could have played something. I could have definitely traded better, but honestly, I would not say it was a mistake. It's just probability. Like this trade could have worked for sure. I don't think it was a wrong idea. I do think my stop, if anything, was a little bit too tight. Oh, and we took it went up how many points? It went up 13 points. Ooh, that's gonna affect my trailing threshold. Yeah, that's not good. I ran up 12 points. Shit. Because now my trailing threshold is... Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Okay, it is what it is, but not good. Not the end of the world, but that does kind of suck. So yeah, just a full retracement back to point of control. And it's clean, but I can think we consolidate, maybe push again lower, it's possible, or push back higher. Anyways, I'm out. It's unfortunate. I really wish I was still here, but it's just about, I mean, I have to be disciplined, right? So yeah, let's see if the loss is bad or good. I don't know. Yeah, fill the low volume node. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. Okay, let's look at the loss. Oh, it was looks like it's gonna be looks like it's gonna be a 2K loss. Okay, 1800. You know, that's how many points of slippage? That's 2 points of slippage. My trailing threshold took a hit. Yeah, actually, it's not too bad. But it did run up 12 points. That's the thing. So it ran up 12 points. 7,000 minus 1,800. 655. Okay. No, it's actually reasonable. This is reasonable. But yeah, definitely not the best loss. I'm just upset that like, I don't know. I guess it's just because I hate to get myself out so early, but it is what it is. I have to just accept it. So how much should I really take? So 1 point is 150. So I took almost 2 points of slippage. A little bit, almost 2 points. And then commissions. But pretty normal loss. Unfortunate that you say 1,500. It's just part of it. I don't know. How do I feel? I guess I just feel like I wish I survived. Like, definitely, traded something better. I don't know, but why am I beating up myself so much about this trade? Because at the end of the day, it was a good follow through trade, good level to exit. It was a good area to exit. Even if I looked for 10 points, I would have got filled and been kick. I would have been stomped out. Um, and the stop loss placement was technical. It was just simply probability. I really don't think execution was poor or edge strategy was not poor. Like nothing. I don't think it was a bad trade. I just think it was probability. But I guess I'm just salty because maybe it's just simply that I was doing well, and I mean it's just like one trade, but it's okay. It's really okay. It happens. But what keeps me disciplined and surviving is the ability to just call it and wait for the next day. And then tomorrow's Friday, so it's just Friday. I'm gonna be more risk off anyways, but it's really next week. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. What time is it? Oh, it's early. I think that's why. It's just because it's early. I don't know. I feel like I could have sat longer and just been able to. Okay, guys. I'm gonna get going. How could I improve? Honestly, like, would I take the trade again? Yeah. It was a good, like, I've seen this before. Like sellers, buyers try, but they fail, and then sellers get in, and then they push lower, and that's what happened. But it pushed lower by 10 points. But I mean, maybe no, I must have, because it pushed by 11 points, but my trailing threshold didn't get affected. 15. I had 500. I don't know what happened there, but I'm not complaining. Like, my trailing threshold should be much lower, but it's not. So I'm not complaining. So basically, yeah. I mean, honestly, no, there's nothing really like. I took a good trade. It was just a loss. I think that's really it. I think the only reason I'm salty is because I wish I was not walking away so soon with a loss. But that's my strategy. I walk away after one trade. So it's just doubt and I guess a little bit of sadness, because it's a loss, but I'm okay with it. Like, you know, it's just like, I guess it's just that it's been rough the past. It's not been rough. Like, I don't know. My brain is trying to make it sound bad. Truly, 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 truly. So, but like, this is Thursday, right? Monday. I mean, yesterday I couldn't trade, right? I guess my brain is making, because I think yesterday I couldn't trade. That's why today feels a little bit like ew, because it's like I didn't couldn't trade yesterday. I could have made a good trade, and then today I'm taking a loss. So that's really why. But I think I took like what, a break even on Monday. Tuesday was a winner. Wednesday was no trade. Thursday was a loss. Okay, it's mixed. But I'm still up on the week. And tomorrow, just show up. If I lose, I lose. Like, I'll be break even if I lose. If I win, great. I'll be either 2R or 3R. And if I'm break even, great. I'll still be up 1R. So there's only good, like, the worst case scenario is I take a break even. Then next week is a new week, and just ready to trade better, you know. Yeah, just next week I'm ready to trade better, but I need to also slow down. But I actually felt like I did, because my brain was trying to look for more points today, but I didn't allow it. I was like, no, Zaki, it's not worth it. So I did it, and I'm happy about that. But yeah, yeah, okay. I guess I'm gonna walk away now and call it. It is early. doesn't mean it's early by 4 minutes. So I'm gonna get going. Thanks guys for tuning in. Have a great day, and peace.